Hey guys, I want to show you an installation that Harut and Sylvester and their team are about to complete pretty soon. Really cool, brand new, beautiful home in the Woodland Hills area, and we have a gate on the inside where the truck is parked right now. They're working on finishing that one today, and then we have three gates here in the front. We have a driveway gate right here, which is right now open. These are all black gates with black glass. Here's the pedestrian gate, beautiful. And the second driveway gate here, really gorgeous. So beautiful design, really great installation as well. And once this house is complete and all the landscape is done, this is really going to complement this house.